Hey guys, it's me, King 100 here. I know I have not been in here. I know I've been making videos for a while. I've just been busy with a lot of schoolwork and such. But today's December 25th. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. In today's video, I'm gonna be upgrading my Mac Pro with some new RAM, 16 gigs, and I've got a hard drive right here. So, yeah, today's video is gonna be an upgrade my Mac Pro. I'm upgrading the RAM from 8 gigs to 60. So I have 8 gigs of RAM right there right now. So I'm adding 4 extra sticks in total. I'm gonna have a total RAM of 24 gigs, which is almost max. Mine is 2008 Mac Pro, and the maximum RAM I can have is 32, but 24 it's good. So right now we're gonna be upgrading it, but I just wanted to say hello and just see how you guys are doing. Okay guys, we're going to start upgrading this machine. We're going to take off the Mac Pro. I'm going to take off the cover. I'm going to make sure I don't have any electricity in me by tapping the back. I don't have any electricity because you don't want to electrocute any components or any shock to them. First of all, we're going to start off with the RAM. Got this little towel right here to prevent any static electricity coming in. So let's do the RAM. Alright. So first of all, we're going to take out the top slot. Open this up. Here's the RAM. All 4 sticks, DIMMs, tension, electronic static. Alright, so I just gotta be careful with these. I don't want to get anything burned. Alright. Okay, so I believe that's all in. Making sure I did it correctly. Yep, I did. Here's the second RAM set. That's in. Last dim. Alright, so that's in. Okay guys, RAM upgrade is complete. 16 gigs of RAM is installed, so now 24 gigabytes of RAM in total. Now we have to do the hard drive. Let's hope this thing will align. I don't think it's going to align, guys. I don't think it's going to align because got two screws here, and the bay has to go all the way to the inside. And these screws, yeah, they're not going to fit with it. Well, guys, this drive is not going to fit, so it's kind of disappointing. These two screws, they don't align. Like, cause if I was to put it right here, because usually the drive has to be put in all the way for it to fit. But if it wasn't in all the way, like in this case right here, it was like right there or so. This couldn't fit all the way in because this enclosure has to be put in all the way. So I'm just going to say is that Apple's picky about hard drives you can put in, which drives fit these kind of bays. So hard drive bay the hard drive didn't work. Alright you guys, moment of truth. Okay. "24 gigs of RAM installed." Alright you guys, that was it. Thanks for watching.